Hi there, I'm Jim, and today we're going over the all-new flat wayfinding system. With this new flat wayfinding sign system, you can add sleek, modern wayfinding signage to an array of interior environments such as hospitals and medical centers, schools and universities, places of worship, office buildings, and interior public spaces of all types. The flat system comes with a variety of options to select. Choose from rounded or square end caps, either silver frames with silver dividers and gray end caps, or black frames with black dividers and end caps. Custom sizes available to fit any need and are tailored to your desired specifications. This new system creates a cohesive look through sign categories such as wall frames, directories, projecting signs, suspending signs, triangular signs, and desk frames. Using this new system is simple. Pop your clear non-glare lens off with the provided suction cup and replace your digital insert. Our frames also accept an ADA compatible lens with an insert behind. To learn more about the new flat system or any of our wayfinding signage, call us or visit our website.